Hey guys, this is Yash and you guys are watching Yashopes. So guys, today I'm here at Sarasbaugh, which is really very famous in Pune city. Mostly couples visit here, not just couples but also family visits here. Because this Sarasbaugh is like very pleasant place, and today it's too sunny over here, and I'm here along with a bunch of my friends. The Sarasbaugh is not that much big, but still it's like good to go because there is no ticket. Sarasbaugh is a major landmark in the city of Pune in India. The place where now the park stands was once a small lake. However, the lake dried up and later converted into Sarasbaugh. The whole 10-acre complex is known as Sarasbaugh, and the Ganesh temple in Sarasbaugh is also known as Charatla Ganpati. We came out just from the Charatla Ganpati and now we'll explore the rest of the garden.